Yabang na.
She is married
with 3 children.
Miss Maria Salcedo is a senior
At
clerk.
the regional office of the Ministry of Good Governance.
Would you say we never met?
Looking at the window, with the ceiling she was fascinated. And before the head is a whole day, ngayon ay...
Excuse me, I have had my promotions 5 years ago. I am from...
Forget the love I had for you. We never met. If I'm that easy to forget.
Naanyahan din po namin dito sa entablado ang aming program chair.
Sa maraming reklamasyon, patuloy na lumulubog ang ating mga kababayan.
Sige po, utang ina mo ka.
At sa aming pagkaon, taga-speak-up, Danuvis David, Darlene Pronevo, at Vance
To follow. To follow ka?
Hindi. Did you know what happened tuloy sa stotter? Got pregnant at the age of 16. Diyos ko na. Aray ko, Diyos ko. Kasi nga diba ito sa Alonso naman is also having an appeal. Di mo alam. Ingat absent ko kasi. Tumalyano!
Di niyo ba naririnig?
Minister, alam mo, lahat ng tao sa building, alam mo yan. It's no longer a secret.
Ano yung pinaka-pauri mong role?
Dalagita.
Lalagita ka.
Okay. Arte.
Would you say we never met?
The minister's bodyguard ain't like pigs.
Ako nga, ay only... Five years ago, I am from the province. I just want to follow up.
One floor can have 3 gates made to be signed their records on the 6th floor.
So that a copy can be verified with the
Ako sumikat. Wait lang, ito muna.